The evolution and impact of class notes in alumni networks and career development in today's digital age. Class notes have transformed from traditional printed records into dynamic tools that connect alumni across industries and geographies. These evolving formats serve as vital links between graduates and their educational roots while offering new pathways for professional growth. As alumni networks grow increasingly complex, so does the role of class notes in fostering connections and facilitating career advancement opportunities. This shift has redefined how graduates maintain relationships with former classmates and leverage shared experiences for personal and professional benefit. The rise of digital class notes. Digital platforms have revolutionized how alumni share updates and achievements within their network. Unlike print versions limited by physical space, online directories allow for continuous updates that reflect real-time changes in members' careers. Modern alumni systems now integrate multimedia elements such as video messages and interactive timelines, creating richer engagement opportunities than ever before. These features enable users to showcase accomplishments in visually compelling ways that resonate across different generations of graduates. Real-time updates. Digital class notes can be edited instantly, ensuring information remains current without waiting for publication cycles. Multimedia integration. Platforms support videos, photos, and audio recordings which add depth to professional profiles beyond text-based entries. Cloud storage solutions also ensure accessibility across devices, making it easier for alumni to access their class notes anytime and anywhere. This convenience factor significantly enhances user participation rates compared to static printed materials. Interactive maps showing where alumni are working globally help create virtual networking opportunities regardless of geographical distances. Such features foster international collaboration among graduates through shared interests and expertise. Preserving tradition through print media. Despite technological advancements, many institutions still value print editions of class notes as tangible mementos of academic journeys. These physical copies often become cherished keepsakes passed down through families. Print publications provide a curated experience where stories are carefully selected to represent significant moments in graduates' lives. The editorial process ensures quality control over content presented to readers. For some alumni, holding a printed copy evokes nostalgia associated with campus life memories, reinforcing emotional connections to their alma mater. This sentimental value makes print media particularly appealing during reunions and special events. Statistical insights on print preferences. A recent survey found that 68% of respondents preferred receiving printed class notes despite digital options being available. This preference was strongest among older demographics who grew up with traditional publishing methods. While younger alumni favored digital formats for their convenience, 43% still appreciated having a physical copy for reference purposes. Many reported using them as conversation starters when reconnecting with old friends at gatherings. Bridging generations. Balancing old and new formats. Successful alumni programs combine both digital and print mediums to cater to diverse preferences within their community. Hybrid models ensure inclusivity while leveraging technology for broader reach. Schools can send out digital newsletters alongside annual printed volumes, allowing everyone access to updated information while preserving tradition for those who prefer it. This dual approach maximizes impact across generational divides. Campus marketing teams often use social media promotions to highlight key contents from print issues, encouraging wider interaction with featured alumni stories. Strategic cross-promotion strengthens overall visibility of program offerings. Enhancing professional networking. Through class notes, alumni networks heavily rely on class notes to facilitate meaningful connections between professionals with similar backgrounds. These platforms act as matchmakers by identifying commonalities among members. When alumni update their profiles with job titles and industry sectors, matching algorithms can suggest potential contacts based on mutual interests or complementary skill sets. This functionality accelerates relationship building processes substantially. Many career centers utilize these databases to identify mentors for students seeking guidance in their chosen fields. Experienced graduates frequently volunteer to offer advice through structured mentorship programs linked directly from their profiles. Event organizers also find class notes invaluable for creating customized guest lists tailored around shared disciplines or locations. This targeted approach increases event attendance rates dramatically. Case study: University X's success story. University X implemented an integrated system combining digital dashboards with quarterly mailings. Their alumni retention rate increased by 27% within 2 years due to improved connectivity features. Their platform included smart filters letting users search specifically for engineers or entrepreneurs interested in certain regions. These refinements led to stronger regional chapters forming organically around niche communities. Fostering community engagement via interactive features. Modern class note platforms include discussion forums enabling ongoing conversations between graduates long after initial introductions. These spaces promote knowledge sharing and collaborative problem solving. Virtual meetups scheduled around shared topics allow participants to engage in deeper discussions than typical LinkedIn interactions permit. Scheduled sessions encourage regular participation from busy professionals worldwide. Some sites even feature live Q&A segments hosted by notable alumni, providing exclusive insights not typically accessible outside institutional settings. These events generate buzz and excitement about continued learning post-graduation. User-generated content policies give individuals freedom to contribute articles or success stories, enriching the collective wisdom stored within these digital archives. Data privacy considerations. In modern class note systems with increasing reliance on digital infrastructure comes greater responsibility regarding data protection measures. Institutions must implement robust security protocols to safeguard sensitive member information. Compliance with regulations like GDPR requires careful management of consent forms related to profile visibility settings. Transparent privacy policies build trust while ensuring legal obligations are met efficiently. Password encryption technologies protect against unauthorized access attempts targeting private communications exchanged within closed groups. Multi-factor authentication adds another layer of defense against cyber threats. Regular audits verify compliance with best practices standards maintained by cybersecurity experts specializing in enterprise-level protections. Leveraging analytics for improved alumni outreach. Advanced analytics tools track engagement patterns, helping schools refine communication strategies effectively. By analyzing click-through rates, administrators understand what types of content generate most interest. Predictive modeling identifies likely candidates for reunion invitations or scholarship applications based on historical behavior metrics captured within activity logs. These projections guide resource allocation decisions intelligently. Segmentation capabilities let outreach teams target specific demographic groups needing additional encouragement to participate actively. Customizable reports show progress toward meeting institutional goals transparently. Automated reporting functions save staff time while maintaining consistent evaluation periods essential for measuring program effectiveness accurately. Future trends shaping next generation class notes. Emerging technologies promise exciting innovations poised to reshape how alumni stay connected going forward. Artificial intelligence will play pivotal roles enhancing personalized recommendations significantly. Blockchain implementations may introduce secure verification mechanisms confirming credentials' authenticity, preventing fraud during credential checks required for employment screenings. Augmented reality could transform simple photo galleries into immersive experiences showcasing university landmarks virtually overlaid onto real-world environments through mobile apps. Voice recognition software might someday replace keyboard input entirely, allowing hands-free navigation through voice commands, becoming standard interface design principles across platforms. Maximizing benefits from both mediums to fully harness advantages offered by each format, institutions should develop clear guidelines outlining appropriate uses cases for both digital and print resources strategically. This framework prevents confusion arising from unclear expectations. Detailed tutorials explaining features unique to particular medium help bridge understanding gaps, especially amongst less tech-savvy populations unfamiliar with modern interfaces. Demonstrations increase adoption rates considerably. Feedback loops established through periodic surveys ensure continual improvements align with changing needs expressed by constituents regularly. Listening attentively creates responsive solutions addressing genuine concerns raised authentically. Training workshops covering emerging trends equip volunteers and staff members adequately, preparing them confidently handle responsibilities assigned accordingly without undue stress. Conclusion: the evolution of class notes continues reshaping how alumni engage with each other professionally and personally. Whether through digital innovation or enduring traditions, these records remain central pillars supporting lifelong connections nurtured initially within educational institutions. By embracing both classic values preserved in print form together with cutting-edge possibilities enabled digitally, colleges empower graduates successfully navigating contemporary challenges faced throughout global economies dynamically shifting constantly.